Hey guys, Reverend Ron Gilak here, and today we're talking about how to use video marketing for your business. And I'm going to show you real quick how to create a YouTube card so you can start generating some leads and sales from your YouTube videos. So pretty cool. So let's go over to YouTube real quick here. All right, and what I've done here is I've uploaded a video into YouTube. And what you do once you're back there, you have these different options at the top: info, enhancements, audio, end screen, cards. So you're going to click on cards, and it'll take you to this screen with your video. And then what you want to do is go to this button over here in the top right, and you can pretty much put these anywhere you want in the video. So let's go ahead and we'll put one right here. I'm going to press pause, go over here to add card, and I want to link out to my website. So let's go to ChristCenteredCoaching.com, and I have a new little free gift that I'm going to promote today. So I'll do 37 ways, and I have selected my site here. If you guys aren't seeing your website up here, you're going to go ahead and want to do this first. You can link to your associated website and just follow the steps here to go into your settings. So then click next. That'll load up. Card title or call to action, free download. Let's do that. Card title is 37 ways to integrate faith in business. Teaser text. How about share Jesus without being weird? Oh, I am one character over the limit. Just do it like that. So now you're going to go ahead and change your image. So I have an image here recently that I want to go ahead and use. Here we go. Open. It's a little image of my free giveaway. It'll look better in the actual lead card, but we're going to go ahead and click create card. And this is going ahead and create that, and then you can kind of duplicate it, put it throughout your videos. So let's kind of see what it looks like here. So this is what happens at the top right. It's this little icon here, and you can click that, and here's what happens: 37 ways to integrate your faith in business, free download. So I could take a little bit more time and resize the image to make sure it actually fits, but this is pretty much how you create a YouTube lead card. You can do up to 5 of them with different offers, just depends on your strategy. I like to just promote one thing at a time in my videos. So pretty simple and easy to do. All you have to do is make sure your YouTube account is linked with your website, and you can start generating leads using this cool little feature here. All right, God bless. I'll see you in the next video.